I was going on a vacation with my sister and Nani, and there he was with his family on the same flight. Complete strangers who fell in love at first sight. We've been dating for 11 years now, and it's forever to go. There are so many things actually that I'm going to miss. But first thing is my own space and time with my dog. Then I'll just miss pamper sessions from my parents. And the last and the most important thing, which is my parents' presence and them being around me all the time. I am Punjabi, so preparing special desserts is mandatory in our house. So I'm looking forward of making sweet dishes as the tradition. Well, this is about you. Make yourself feel special. Don't wait for anybody's validation. Just enjoy this time. Don't panic. Everything will be worth it. I've always wanted an intimate wedding with my loved dear ones, and I'm so glad that my dream is coming true and is happening in no time.